The true definition of thinking outside the box. Okay. Why is he using that though? Oh, the artiste is artisting. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Okay. Why is he cutting that glass? He's breaking it. Okay. I would have glass everywhere if I would have did this. Oh, now that's pretty cool. He got a hole coming from the dog's mouth. Oh, he's bringing it to life. Oh, that's live. That is live. I love art, by the way. I just love. Okay, so is he finna crop his body out? Oh. Oh, look at that. What? That's live. Okay, there's no way he can make this better. How can he make this better? Oh, he broke the wood landing. Oh, okay. All right. Oh, that's so player, bro.